What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today, as you guys knew in the last video, we're going to be installing our wheels finally on the Q60, and I'm really excited. So I got the wheels, I just picked them up. They're loaded in. I got one here in the car, and then my two friends, they got the other set with them. So we're going to go to my mom's to pick up the wheels, and then I'll show you guys real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and go mount them. It's pretty exciting. I can't wait for you guys to see it.
Remember when Frankie passed out right there?
Yeah, that's what Frankie passed out. I didn't come. Yeah, at least he
Did you say Stock Boy?
He's got it.
Damn.
I'm waiting for my check.
What check?
Okay.
The stimulus check.
Stimulus check.
Your OnlyFans check?
Don't put that on video, man. The government might find out. It's okay, I don't know my dad. I can say that shit.
Shut the fuck up.
Wow. Oh, they're so cold. Let's do. Shut the fuck up. Semi stickers on there. More interaction. Yep.
I made everyone come.
Jesus.
Couldn't even get a team. I remember you were jacking. I was trying to drive.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Move the fuck out of the way.
You want to see this premium wrap job?
Oh my god.
Hire me for all your rap detail needs. $30 an hour.
Bootleg premium?
Pointing at you doing some stupid shit, huh?
Yep. Oh shit. Yeah.
They're alright.
I mean, this is the worst part right here is just this little air bubble, but
Yeah,
other than that, it
that's
came out good.
My squeegee broke.
What the fuck is this? What happened right here? Was this already done?
It was already there when I bought the car.
Or were you driving like an asshole and someone keyed your car?
Ex-girlfriend.
Last time we're gonna be seeing it on stock wheels. Got the wheels mounted. Damn, this shit looks sick. This is so sick. Love the fitment. The fronts could use a spacer. But the thing is, it sits so low that I actually really don't mind. It's so good. Shout out to homies for all the help.
Same, I just have a fucking car.
Ooh, gotta stop. Get some food. Are those stock wheels, bro? Is that stock? Bro, do all you have is a muffler delete? Is that all you got?
Yep.
Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, you would fulfill all your wishes. You would have every kind of pleasure.
finishing up the video for you guys. So I wanted to go over quickly about the specs of the wheels. I hope you guys enjoyed the actual little video I did of the car. But gotta say, I love these wheels. They look so nice on the car and complement it so well. So these are niche wheels. I believe they're sector wheels. I'll double check, and if I'm wrong I'll put it in the description below. But they're niche wheels. I'm running a 10.5 in the rear and a 9 in the front. They're already offset in the rear, wrapped in 285 tires by 30 by 20. They're 20-inch wheels. And these ones are a 255 30 20. As you can see, it looks really sick. Yeah guys, hope you guys like the new wheels. I really like them. I think they look super sick. Yeah guys, that concludes the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys liked it, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 300 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.